welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany here. Well guys, I've been absent for a minute, but I am back. Ooh. For those who follow me on my Instagram, you do remember that one day, like about a week ago, I did post my hair cooperating with me in a specific day, and I was so happy and excited about it. So I decided to post for you guys and ask you guys if you wanted to see like a wash and go video, or if you voted in the poll that I did put on my stories, and you guys voted for yes. Most of you guys, because some did say no. Okay. But yeah, so I decided to do the video. I did the treatment before the wash and go, an extra bonus for you guys, and for those who have like the same type of hair as mine. For BC, I don't know, my hair is like, yeah, sometimes like 4B, sometimes like 4C, I don't know. But yes guys, if you have like the same type of hair as mine, you can actually use the process, and yeah, it will be like the best thing for you and your hair. So guys, stay tuned for this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and let's roll it. So guys, I started by dividing my hair into two. I prefer to divide my hair because it's like so easy to work with the hair divider. So for the mix of oils, you can check the description box, and the ingredients will be there, all the oils I did mix. And then after that, I did heat a little bit and did apply it to my hair. So you can see, after applying one side, the shine and everything in my hair. Then I did braid. It's like an easy way I do, and I prefer this way, dividing the hair into two and going to braids after applying the oil. Check my braids, a little bit rough. Good enough. The bandana a little bit dirty, but it's time to sleep. Voila. Day 2 guys. Yeah, my bandana looks off, I know. And my hair all set up. I had to wash those. I know you can see the shine guys. You can see the shine. The oils did the perfect effect on my hair. I know. You can see the growth. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. But guys, today will be all about rice water, applying the rice water. So if you don't know how to do the rice water, you can check my previous video. It will be up here of me braiding my hair. But before I did some little procedure, so you can check that. Voila. The third day and final day guys, after the rice water, my hair is dry. So today is the wash day. Yeah, you can see the shine guys. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. I'll be for this. The rice water again. Before I wash my hair, I do like to finish the entire rice water. So I do apply to my hair. And before washing it, I do apply everything. Voila. This is my hair clean and good. So this is the treatment I did with avocado. You can check the description box. The ingredients will be there, and yeah, all the steps, so check it right now. This treatment gives my hair like a soft and moisturized and everything. As you can see, even before its effect, the hair is so soft. my gosh, oh my gosh. Guys, I love this. I love this. Yeah, so I do divide my hair again in order to apply the rest of the treatment. Finish everything. Voila! Let's wait. So after 45 minutes, I'm back, and I was so sticky, guys. I was so sticky. But yeah, after 45 minutes, I'm here back with my hair all soft, moisturized, and with the effect in there. So I used both, guys. Don't judge me, but yeah. This is me after removing the treatment before applying the conditioner. And this is me, the hair all washed and clean and hydrated and everything. So for the wash and go, I do apply this button here. A little bit, then the anti-Japanese defining whip. This is like so nice, guys. So nice. You apply like in sections, but I was in a rush. But you can apply like this or in sections. It's up to you to have like a better result, of course. This is me. Then applying a little bit of gel in the side because I love the right side a little bit as a style inside. And here I am. The wash and go done. And voila, guys. Okay guys, it's all for today. I hope you did enjoy the video, the process, the treatment, and every single thing. The wash and go came a little bit late, but it came, guys. It came. It's here. You guys just washed it, and yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends, family members who want to treat their hair and whatever, see hair tips, hacks, beauty hacks, and whatever. Yes, guys. See you. Peace out.